Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Patricia. So I want to start this video off by apologizing for not getting the video that I intended to do done for you. So I had done this whole wash day with Naturalicious. I had washed my hair in the shower, which I did not film, but I had came out, I had explained step 2. I was doing probably about a fourth of my head before I realized that the camera had shut off. So then I started it up again because I was like, okay, I'm just gonna apologize for part of my hair being done. We're gonna do the rest of it, get through the video. It shut off again. So I went ahead, I posted a picture of myself on my Instagram when I got done. I was like, y'all gonna see this hair today. And someone on Instagram asked me if they could see my hair post-wash day because they were like, okay, cool, you know, it looks good on day 1, but what's it gonna look like after? So I'm on here showing you day 2 hair. So I'm gonna insert a video where I got up this morning. I'm whispering, so I apologize if the sound is low. But I got up this morning and transformed my bed head, and we're gonna look at that video right now, and I'll come back and I will explain afterward. So this is bed head. All I did was take a bonnet off my head. I usually don't sleep like this, but I was super lazy last night, so I just threw a bonnet on and that was it. So I'm going to put some of the Spanish growth almond oil on my hair. Spanish almond regrowth, and I'm just going to do that to kind of just separate my hair a little bit, and it's something you should put on anyway, so just going to do that. Some on the edges. Because I know that's going to help to break up this hair and add a little lift. Okay, now that's not something I would do every day just to get my hair going, but since I was gonna come on anyway, the instructions say you can use this twice a day, so I was like, well, why not? So now I'm gonna go in with the grapeseed hair mist. Now this is the primary thing I will use to go ahead and get this hair where it needs to be. And I'm going to give it a shake. And fluff it out. And that's it. That's it. I'm ready to go. So this is what my hair looks like. You can still see I have a lot of curl definition. But I'll come back later to do a regular video and give you guys all the information about wash day yesterday. But I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like now and how I would go from sleeping in bed to getting ready to go out the door. So I'm getting ready to head out to church. I will talk with you guys later. Bye. Okay, I hope you could hear the video. In case you could not, I will just go ahead and briefly explain what I did. So this is what I wear to bed at night. It's just a crusty old bonnet that you can get anywhere. I literally just put this on my head last night. I was super lazy. I didn't do my usual 5 pineapples. I just put this bonnet on. So of course when I woke up this morning, my hair was bedhead. So I went ahead and I put some of the regrowth oil on, the Spanish almond regrowth oil. And I did that mostly to just break up my hair, but when you use this, they say that you can apply this twice a day. So that would obviously be in the morning and at night. So I went ahead, put this on my scalp. That helped me break up that mold of bedhead. And then as my refresher, I went ahead and I used the Heavenly Hydration Grapeseed Hair Mist. This is a very creamy mist, and I showed myself spraying that on my hair and then fluffing my hair out, and that is it. So Gwen, the owner of Naturalicious, does not really use this as a daily refresher spray. She puts her hair up in a pineapple, then she takes the pineapple down, gives her hair time to naturally kind of fall into place, and then she uses step 2, and she puts that on her hands and does like an open palm method, and then she rakes through her hair like that. I do something a little different because my hair is different from hers. So I just want to come in close so you can see that even though it's looking kind of poofy, it's still, you can see the curl definition. And I'll just turn around so you can see what my hair looks like. Of course, my hair is curlier down here at the bottom. And come in close so you guys can take a peek at it. So I have a lot of volume. I have really, really tight curls. And it's great. So I haven't had any issues with it. I've used Naturalicious before. I will insert a video so you can see an old throwback video that I did probably a year or 2 ago using Naturalicious. So this is the 5-in-1 Moroccan Rasoul clay. This is a 5-in-1 treatment, so this can be used as your shampoo, your deep conditioner, your detangler, your leave-in conditioner, and did I say detangler? It's your cleanser, your detangler, your deep conditioner. It can be used as a rinse-out conditioner, and your leave-in conditioner. I think that was 5. So I shampooed with this. I came out of the shower. I went ahead, did everything you do when you get out the shower. Then I went in with the step 2, and this is your moisturizer, and there it is, the consistency of it. It's thick, but it's super lightweight. It smells really, really good. So I use this in small sections of my hair, and then after that, I went in with step 3, which is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock Frizz Fighter. This can also be used as a hot oil treatment. So this stops frizz and this seals in the moisture that you just put in your hair with step 2. So I just wanted to come on, explain the process, apologize for the video going left. I will do another video on this line really, really soon. And by the way, for you guys that have always wanted to try it but was like, I don't know about this because there's no gel, now they have a gel. Naturalicious has a Facebook page, and the people that follow her are part of the nation. So it's the Naturalicious Nation. Say that 5 times. But go ahead, look them up on Facebook, join the group. You can find all kinds of tips and tricks on how to use these products. It's filled with people that have used the products and have had success with them. So you can find lots of inspiration, lots of information. And in that group, that was when we found out first that the gel was coming. We done already pre-ordered ours. But the gel is available for pre-ship now, or pre-order now. So go ahead, order it, and it'll tell you on the website when it's shipping out. So if you have any questions on Naturalicious, go ahead, list them below. Let me know if you've tried it or any questions that you have on the line. And like I said, I will come back and do another video on this in real time so you can see how it works. Thanks for watching. Please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.